The centre ordered a probe into the alleged irregularities into the renovation of the 6 Flagstaff bungalow, the former official residence of former Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. The investigation into the matter was ordered on the 13th of February after the Central Public Works Department submitted a factual report. The centre directed the CPWD to conduct a detailed inquiry into the allegations. Remember, the BJP has many a times dubbed the luxurious mansion as a Sheesh Mahal. The probe has been ordered now to find out whether the government regulations were ignored for the construction of this bungalow.
ये विजिलेंस कमीशन ने जो जांच शुरू की है, मेरे तो अभी भी शॉकिंग हो। मुझे तो आज पता लगा कि 8 एकड़ का बंगला ये अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को घर रहने के लिए 8 एकड़ का चाहिए था। कमाल हो गया, 800 गज का भी नहीं है, 8 एकड़ का। और विजिलेंस कमीशन बिल्कुल सही जांच कर रहा है। 40,000 फुट एरिया बना हुआ हो तो उसकी विजिलेंस इंक्वायरी होनी तो बहुत जरूरी है और मैं इसको वेलकम करता हूँ।
That's right. We know that the former CM's residence at 6 Flagstaff Bungalow Road, we know that it has been a controversial point throughout this election campaign, which BJP has named it the Sheesh Mahal. And this time around also BJP quite proudly said that they will not be taking up, the next CM of Delhi will not be staying in that lavish mansion that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal renovated. And it has now that the Central Public Works Department will be conducting a detailed investigation because of the allegations of the possible, rules being violated, in that particular bungalow. The construction rules have been violated, and because of the area, almost 8 acres land has been taken up in renovating the CM house. And earlier during BJP's election campaign also, we saw them claiming that it has several lavish amenities like a gym and a swimming pool and a gold toilet, and all these allegations had come into the forefront during the election campaign. And now it is time for the Central Public Works Department to conduct a detailed investigation to find out in which ways there has been a dire violation of the construction rules of this particular bungalow.